Hey guys, it's me Alana. So today I am back, October 2018. How did that year just fly by? But you guys know I love Halloween. You guys know I am committed to do all kinds of looks that I have not done before, and maybe some that I have done before, but I did not record. So this is my very first look for 2018, and it is a very simple but yet beautiful scarecrow look. And let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to take number 5 Soft Blur Foundation from Benefit and apply it all over my skin. Then apply number 3 on my highlighted areas. Next, I'm going to take Anastasia's Subculture palette and start creating the skull above my brows. As you can see, I am just drawing 2 lines from the beginning of my eyebrows all the way up to my forehead. So what I'm doing is still taking the same color, Fudge, from the Subculture palette from Anastasia. I am just blending out that color softly from the line all the way down to my forehead. Okay, so what I'm doing is just creating some shading on the upper corner of my lids. That way it can shape the bridge of my nose. Then you want to take the shading down the sides of your nose to create that really highlighted area in the middle. Just imagine you're contouring your nose really dramatically and you're not blending it out too much. Now you want to start contouring your face. You want to do a darker color that you normally use for contouring. This one is from the Frankie Rose palette, the darkest color that they have. You can also use a darker brown eyeshadow if you would like. Just apply it onto your cheeks like a contour, but make sure you're really creating that definition. To blend out the contour a little more, I just used a peachy coral blush and applied it to the center of my cheeks. Alright, so now for the eyes. What I did was I applied a dark deep brown eyeshadow to the inner and outer corner of my eyes. You can also use black if you would like. Then I started blending that out with a blending brush. Using another blending brush, I use an espresso brown to connect the 2 colors together. Using Anastasia's Subculture palette, I took the Fudge brown color and applied it to the center of my crease, blending all of the colors together. Using a pencil brush and taking that same color that you use on the inner and outer corner of your lid, you want to just sweep it across your lower lash line. Then you just want to soften up your smoky eye using a lighter soft brown with a fluffier blending brush. Now I'm creating a winged out eyeliner just using eyeshadow. So I am taking a dark brown eyeshadow and just creating that winged look. I wanted a really dramatic lash, so I'm using these Halloween lashes from Fright Night. These ones are called Mesmerizing, and you will see why I love them when I look up. After applying my lashes, I want to shape and shade my brows. I use Benefit Brow Powder. Shade number 5 to outline and shade number 4 to fill in. Now to create the patch on your nose, I am just using the lightest concealer that I have and applying it to the tip of my nose. Using an eyeliner brush and some brown eyeliner, you want to create an uneven oval shape around the concealer you applied on your nose. Now you can create the stitches by just applying X's and lines right around the patch that you put on. I want to create another patch, so I am just applying light concealer onto my cheek. So the way I'm drawing a patch, just imagine that you're creating a hashtag with an extra line. I am using an ash brown color as well. For my lips, I am using a coral color from Dose of Colors. This is an old package, but I did check their website and they still do have a similar color called Karma. I took my lips to the next level and added some gold glitter right on top of my lipstick. Using the same brown eyeliner I used for my nose, I am now going to line the corner of my lips, and I am going to bring that line going up towards my cheekbones. Using a little bit of brown eyeshadow, I am just going to shade the corners of my lips. I found it a lot easier to create the teeth of my scarecrow skull using angle brush and some dark brown eyeshadow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this scarecrow look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also I wanted to show you guys that I will be doing a very simple but yet fun kids scarecrow look, so mommy and daughter can be matching with Azella probably tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.